Microsoft PowerToys. If you haven't heard about it before, this video is for you. Microsoft PowerToys is an excellent and useful set of tools for Windows users. Microsoft has published it, and it has quite advanced tools that will help you a lot in your daily tasks, and it is very helpful for developers. To download it, simply search for it on the Microsoft Store and install it. It's completely free. The latest version is 0.83. Today, in this video, we will talk about an excellent feature of Microsoft PowerToys that will be very useful in your daily tasks. First, I will show you Text Extractor tool. Using this tool, you can easily extract and copy text from any image in just a second. This tool will save a lot of valuable time that you used to waste on online text extractors. To activate this tool, just press Windows plus Shift plus C. Then select Area to extract text. And now text is extracted. Let me show you by pasted it here. This tool is very useful for me. And if you also like this tool and want to know about similar tools, then like the video and subscribe. First, we will look at the Advanced Paste feature. Advanced Paste is a tool to put your clipboard content into any format you need. It can paste as plain text, Markdown, or JSON directly. It has an AI-powered option, but it requires an OpenAI key. First, you will need to enable this feature from here. And then, to open the Advanced Paste window, you need to press Windows plus Shift plus V. Paste as plain text is simple like the normal Ctrl plus V command. With Paste as Markdown, you can paste copy text in a formatted form. Suppose you copied this formatted text, and now I am pasting it. Currently, it is showing as plain text, but when I use Paste as Markdown, it will paste like this. Even the table is showing in it. So, this is the benefit of Paste as Markdown. And now I will show you Paste as JSON, which will be very useful for developers. Suppose I copied this text, and now I am pasting it as JSON, so now it will show in JSON format. And right now, you can see that the AI feature is not enabled. To enable it, we will first need an OpenAI API key. I already have a key, which I will delete after making this video. Then you need to click on the Enable button here and paste the API key and save it. Now when you paste, you can see that the AI option has been enabled. Now I copy this text. And I want it to print in XML format. So I simply need to write here. Now here is the result with AI. That's all for Advanced Paste. Now let's move on to the next feature. Next useful tool is Color Picker. Color Picker is a system-wide color selection tool for Windows that enables you to pick colors from any currently running application and automatically copies it in a configurable format to your clipboard. You can easily activate tool by pressing Windows plus Shift plus C. This tool also very useful for designer. And if you also like this tool and want to know about similar tools, then like the video and subscribe.